So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand system devices. Now we're going to scroll down until we find PCI Express. You may also have PCI Standard. Basically, you just want to look everywhere where it says PCI. If any of them have a yellow exclamation mark, then you want to right click on it and then click on Update Driver and then click on Search Automatically for Drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Once that's been done, the problem should be fixed. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in bcdedit space /set space PCI Express space force disable. And then click on enter. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download the NVIDIA app. And now once you're on this, you want to go to the driver tab and then click on check for updates. If you have any driver updates, you want to install them. Make sure that your graphics card driver is fully up to date through the NVIDIA app. See if that works. For the next method, just do a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows, see if that works. For the last method, unplug your graphics card from your computer and then plug it back in again. Make sure that your graphics card is properly connected.